Oxfam, a global pharmacy benefit manager, PBMs, has reached an agreement with one of the nation's largest PBMs to ensure most women covered by this plan can fill their Phexxi prescriptions for pregnancy prevention, without restrictions such as prior authorization or step therapy. This agreement will help to ensure that women have access to the medications they need for their pregnancies without having to worry about potentially restrictive policies from their PBMs. This new agreement removes existing barriers, allowing women in the U.S. covered by this plan to fill their Phexxi prescriptions immediately. With the removal of the prior authorization process for this PBM, starting on July 1, 2022, EVFM anticipates saving approximately $400,000 through the end of 2022 and close to $1 million on an annualized basis. The agreement comes as EVFM continues building upon earlier successes and lining up further access through other health insurers and PBMs to increase a woman's ability to obtain Phexxi. EVFM is the largest payer in California, with no copay for patients. Additionally, EVFM is one of the largest players in Utah, with no prior authorization. Finally, EVFM is one of the largest payers in Hawaii, with no copay for patients.